So this is the first one I got. I was working with someone at Starbucks at the time who had a small little purple purse that was made with seatbelts, and I thought it was really cute. And I asked her about it, and she said it's a seatbelt bag. So I Googled it, or whatever we used at the time. I think I paid like $120 for this, which at the time really strapped me for cash. So that would have been in the early 2000s, I think around 2004, 2005. And you know, since then, I've pretty much had a seatbelt, bag, purse, for everything. This one's kind of cool because it's a collaboration with Shag, the artist Shag, and actually says Shag on it, and it's got little tikis, and the inside also matches and it says Shag. It's pretty old, but I used to like my tiki purse. Another Shag one that's newer for the tiki, what is it, the Trader Sam's, and it has a special Shag tag, and I also have the matching wallet for this. The reason I like them is because if they get really dirty, you can wash them. The cons of having these is, yeah, they get pretty heavy. They have other ones that were like collaborations with BMW, with the city of Detroit, all sorts of little things that, you know, very serious collectors get into, but I have not. So I've been collecting probably about 15, 16 years now, at least. Not the whole 25, but 15, 16 years, and yeah, this is